So it is another day in Coron, and today we are going to scuba dive, and we're going to see some Japanese shipwrecks, and that's all I know. Maybe a whole bunch of coral and hopefully some cool little fish and colorful aquatic life. But this is the room we're staying in. It's called the Skylodge Resort, and it's cheap, clean rooms. The bathroom is really simple. And then the room is really clean and small. TV, fridge, and as soon as you walk out the door, there's a really cool view. And that's where you get breakfast, up at the top. So just gonna grab breakfast, and then I gotta go get fitted for some scuba gear, and then we're gonna go on the boat and pick up some more scuba divers in Twin Lagoon and do 3 dives today. So I'll see you later. There's a cool pool down there, so you can do scuba training in there if you don't have your certification. And then there's a cool little koi pond here. So many koi fish in there. I'm a little early for breakfast, but at the top floor here, that's where the breakfast is. And there's another area over here where there's tables and a really cool view. Oh, it's cool. There's like a bridge. It's like a bridge.
Table?
You can sit over here.
Yeah, they're not ready yet.
Yeah. We hiked through the streets, and then we hiked up that mountain. It's exactly 720 steps. They have them numbered up there, but that's one of the best views you can get in Coron. And then once you're up there, you see all of these little islands like speckled throughout the bay. It's really cool. Definitely worth the trek up.
I didn't realize there was a staircase there. It was way quicker than going.
Oh really? That's a shortcut? So we just got fitted for all our scuba gear, and this is the dive shop at the Skylodge Resort. So now we're just waiting for a truck, and then we're going to take a boat to pick up some other divers at Twin Lagoon, and yeah, then we'll start diving. So as we're waiting for the truck to take us on the dive, this tree here is a cashew tree that we discovered. So here's all here's what cashews look like.
Flies.
With a bunch of flies, but that's the nut on the end, and then that's the fruit. They actually make ice cream flavored with the fruit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try it. There's durian cashew ice cream upstairs too.
Yeah, that's a cashew tree.
There's a couple hanging.
Yeah.
On board.
So right now we're at the Twin Lagoon, but we're not going in. We're just taking a refresher course for scuba. So we're just going over all the basics, and there's a lot of tours that drop you off over there, so you can hike up to the little Blue Lagoon or Twin Lagoon. But yeah, it's pretty cool. The water's really clear. I can barely reach it.
Feels good.
Kind of refreshing.